G'day guys, my name's Hayden from HD Auto. We're at the front of our Brisbane store here in Rocklea today to ask the question, is it worth fitting a front mount intercooler to my Toyota Hilux? Today we're going to look at the benefits of fitting one, how hard are they to fit, and what sort of cost you'd be looking at to have one fitted to your car, whether you DIY or have it fitted in store. So let's take a look at this one behind me. We'll get into those questions now. Alrighty, firstly, when considering an upgrade like this to your Hilux, we need to address as to why you might even think about doing this in the first place. So from factory, they come with an intercooler that is top mounted. It takes air through this bonnet scoop, which then cools that intercooler down enough to reduce your intake temperatures of your turbocharged air. Let's take a look under the bonnet of this Hilux. There we go. And as you'd probably know if you own one, the factory intercooler sits here right on top of the engine, and it takes air through this scoop here to cool it down. When you have turbocharged air, it is compressed air and it is driven by the exhaust, so it is quite hot. The problem is with the factory top mounted intercooler is that because it is in the engine bay, right above the exhaust manifold, right next to the EGR cooler, above the engine, it suffers from an extreme amount of heat soak just in day-to-day operation. If you're towing, or if you have performance upgrades or tune, or you're running, obviously any more than the standard boost, it's gonna have to work a lot harder, and there will become a point where it becomes heat soaked to the point it cannot dissipate that heat anymore. So that's where we look at options like this front mounted intercooler. This particular intercooler is from a brand called PDI intercoolers, and they are our favorite intercooler to fit for the N70 Hilux. PDI actually go out and develop customized end tanks so that they have cast end tanks that push through the radiator support panel, leaving little room for silicon, joiners to blow off and get cut on edges and things like that. Now, how hard is it to fit one to your N70 Hilux? Well, honestly, these are probably the easiest car to fit an aftermarket intercooler on in the market by far. In the intercooler kit, you're generally going to get a couple of things. You're going to get a turbo to intercooler pipe and then an intercooler to intake pipe. The brackets that it comes with are just simple 90-degree kind of brackets that have been folded up. They bolt on the top and the bottom. Comes with a new bracket as well that mounts your radiator support from the top to the bottom rad support panels. When fitting this, you do have to cut a few holes in through the sides here in 3 inches to allow this pipework to fit through. But once you've done that, as I said before, with these cast end tanks, it makes for an absolutely beautiful and easy fitment of that intercooler kit. Pipe work that does come with it is in stainless steel, and of course we have black silicon, keeping it looking nice and clean. Now, some common concerns we hear about fitting a front mount intercooler to a full drive is, what if I get mud in it? What if I get a stick through it? If you get a stick through a bar and plate aluminium intercooler, I will come and shake your hand personally. These things are so durable, they are so strong, and by the time you're putting a stick through it, honestly, if anything, you're gonna put that stick through your radiator anyway. So if anything, it's an added form of protection. Now mud, you can see from the top of it, this car cops some mud, quite a lot of it, as I can confirm from about 2 weeks ago. Up at Genoa Hills 4x4 Park, this thing was covered head to toe in mud. We still got water in the headlights. We got it all going on. Guess what? Nothing happened. It got a little bit of mud through it. We hosed it out. That was it. Didn't take the grill out, nothing like that. All right, so now let's talk about some of those benefits of actually fitting a front mount intercooler to your Hilux. So it goes without saying, the most obvious is that it is now situated at the front of the vehicle, where there is fresh airflow constantly hitting it, as opposed to that factory top mounted intercooler, which is just heat soaking from the engine bay temperatures. Not just that, but this intercooler is about 2 or 3 times bigger and thicker than that factory intercooler. So not only have you moved it to a fresh source of cool air, you have also substantially increased the size of it. A bigger surface area on that intercooler, as well as the positioning of it, is going to substantially reduce our intake temperatures of this car. Now, this particular Hilux has been tuned with an upgraded turbo, an upgraded set of injectors, upgraded clutch, and so on. So by having this fitted, we can have those performance upgrades done safely, because we're going to have continuously cool intake temperatures due to having this intercooler. Alrighty guys, that wraps up our N70 Toyota Hilux PDI intercooler kit rundown. If you are interested in grabbing one of these for your rig, they're about $1,700, available on our website, hdautomotive.com.au. We do ship Australia and worldwide, so if you are looking to grab one for your rig, jump on there, head to the Hilux section, have a look at what we got, because it's just not intercoolers on there. There's other sneaky little bits and pieces that you might have seen under the bonnet of this thing too. So have a look, check it out, and grab one for your rig today.